What's up everyone and welcome to this video guide. I will show you how to check in online in trip.com. Basically, this is easy step you can do. First, you can use the app and the web device. Just click sign in, download this app and then click sign in your accounts, or you can go to a trip check in this option. When you log in your accounts with your all details, you will see this page. Friends, this is how you can check online. Select upcoming, this one, upcoming trips, or choose any trip you want to check in. And when you choose the trip, go to your account section. From account section, click add this smart check-in, and then click on check-in and this option. When you click on this option, friends, you can check in and you can use your check in your state online just by click this option. As you can see here, click on check in. This is option. So friends, basically this is how you can do to check in. It is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this